Hey guys, Anthony here with Colton RV and Marine, and today I want to show you one of our brand new 2024 best-selling units, the 321 Grand Design BH Transcend. Let's take a walk around it real quick. There's nothing Grand Design won't give you as far as luxury and quality. First, you can see we have a full pass-through storage in here included with lighting. This would be an outdoor storage, so you could stick anything you need in there. This has full Blasdell siding on it as well, which is the same construction as residential siding. You get a power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks on the front, so if you do decide to dry camp, you can do that. So let's keep going, follow me. Any great qualities and amenities, Grand Design is never going to skimp on. You have a full power awning, a full speaker system outside, and the coolest stuff is still right down the way here. An extra outdoor kitchen, so if you want to spend a day outside with your family hanging out camping and you don't want the kids running in and out of the house, you can do that. You have a full fridge outside, a dual burner cooktop, so if you want to cook anything outside from hot dogs in a pan to macaroni and cheese, you can do that. We fold it up and we will keep going. See here, if anything ever happens, you have a full spare on the back. We'd hope that nothing would ever happen, but if it did, they will always provide you with a full spare. A backup camera for safety as well. A ladder, you know, you want to get up there and check your roof at once a year, so you can do that no problem with a fully walkable roof and a ladder to get up there. So guys, one of these great, cool, revolutionary things that Grand Design does, they give you these non-slip steps. So when kids are running in and out, or you guys are running in and out all day on a rainy day, you're never going to slip and fall and potentially injure yourself. It is another great feature that Grand Design offers. So let's take a walk inside. So guys, now we're inside the 321 BH, and I want to show you one of the great features this has as well. It has an extra half bath in here with a full bunk room for the kids. So you can have your privacy and the kids can hang out and do their own thing because you're camping and you're supposed to be relaxing. There's so many more great features about this as well. All down to simple things as even as an LED light strip that is fully adjustable, so at night if you want to turn it down and maybe set a little bit of a nice mood, you can do that. If you decide you want to have more company, not only do we have bunks in there, we have a full pull-out sofa as well, which will turn into another full two-person sleeper. This table as well is removable to slide down and to turn into an extra sleeper, so you could host extra company, cousins, families, brothers. Grand Design's quality is top notch. They offer you a 3-year warranty on the axles, a 5-year on the chassis, a 12-month no question asked on the tires, so if something ever happens with a blowout, they're gonna take care of it for you. So if we take a step over here, you have a 12-volt electric fridge, which is awesome and draws such very low power from your battery, as well as a full freezer. Because you want your stuff in the fridge to stay cool and your stuff in the freezer to stay frozen, and 12-volt electric will always give you that even in the hottest summer months. Every amenity in here is high quality. You get a full deep sink, a ton of extra counter space, great storage, so on long trips where if you want to go out for a week or two, you can pack everything in here from plates, napkins, everything you would possibly need. But one of the greatest and coolest things of all about this, and this is why this is one of our best-selling units, is a split bathroom. So if you have your kids getting ready in the morning, or your husband and wife, one of you could be in the shower and the other one could be over here getting ready. It makes camping better and fun, so you can get outside quicker to enjoy your day. And the last thing I want to show you guys is the bedroom. This is a beautiful queen-size walk-around bed with extra dry storage inside. I know we spoke about the storage outside, so you can use that for outdoor storage. You could put anything under here from blankets, towels, pillows, anything extra you might need and not have to worry about it getting mixed up with your outdoor stuff. Another great feature is here too, like we said, with the kids having a full private bunk room, you also have a full master that is private as well. So when you want your privacy at night after a long day being outside, you get that. Also, you have another extra door. This is a dual door, so you can walk right outside, leave the kids sleep, go out, start breakfast, start your day, let them hang out for a little bit. Hey guys, so thanks for taking a tour with me today of the Grand Design 321 BH. It was awesome to show you this unit. If you have any questions about it, I want you to give me a call at 716-694-0188, extension 477.